Hello everyone, welcome back to episode 4 of the series Cooking with Millets. Today I have a nutritious and flavorful recipe for you, sprouted Jowar Pulao. This dish is not only packed with flavors but also loaded with the goodness of sprouted jowar, making it a perfect choice for a wholesome meal. Let's begin by preparing our jowar. Wash and soak the jowar for 10 to 12 hours. This will help soften the grains and prepare them for sprouting. After soaking, drain the water and place the jowar in a strainer over a small bowl. Cover it and let it sprout for another 12 hours. After 12 hours, you can see that jowar has beautifully sprouted. Sprouting not only enhances the nutritional value but also makes the grains easier to digest. Now let's cook this. Transfer the sprouted jowar to a pressure cooker. Add 2 cups of water and salt as per taste. Close the lid and pressure cook for about 8 to 10 whistles or until the jowar becomes soft and tender but still holds its shape. Once the pressure releases naturally, open the cooker and give the cooked jowar a quick stir. Set this aside while we prepare the base for our pulao. Heat some oil in a pan on medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add cumin seeds, a bay leaf and a few cloves. Saute for a few seconds until the spices release their flavors. Now we'll add a freshly made ginger garlic chili paste. Saute the paste for about a minute until the raw smell disappears. Now add in the finely chopped onions and saute them until they turn golden brown. Once the onions are beautifully golden, it's time to add the chopped tomatoes. Add the tomatoes and cook until they turn soft. Next we'll add some chopped carrots and green peas. These veggies not only add a slight sweetness but also pack in fiber and vitamins, making this pulao a wholesome meal. Add some water, cover the pan with a lid and let it simmer on low heat for 5 to 7 minutes or until the carrots and peas are tender. Now it's time to add the spices. We'll mix in some turmeric powder, red chili powder, cumin coriander powder and a dash of garam masala. Mix everything well. Now that all the spices and vegetables are perfectly cooked, it's time to add our star ingredient, sprouted jowar. Add the cooked jowar, mix it thoroughly with the flavorful masala and vegetables. If needed, adjust the salt. Cover and cook for 2 minutes to let the flavors blend. Garnish with chopped coriander and our delicious and nutritious sprouted jowar pulao is ready to serve. If you liked the recipe, do hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.